Alrighty, hello and welcome to the Great Wall right here. And hey, this is the fourth part of this problem, part D, right? And in this part, we are solving for the 67th section here, right? So we went ahead and recreated the first, second, third, and fourth sections of this growth pattern, this Great Wall, right? And then we created our t-chart. We discovered our iterative function. We used our iterative function to create a formula that will work for any section number. Then we tested our formula 3 times, and now we are going to use this formula to solve for how many blocks we'll need to build the very last section of this wall, the 67th section, because that is how many critters here are trying to attack our school. So the very first thing you want to do is go ahead and write down the formula. And I'm going to do that right over here in blue. And my formula is S times 4 plus 5. Bam. Love it. And really, it's right here, but I rewrote it here. Now I'm going to substitute the 67 for the section because that is the section number that I want to solve for, right? So I'm going to go ahead and plug in 67 right there. And then I'm going to write the times 4 and plus 5 right there. And now all I want to do is the next order of operation, which would be multiplying 67 times 4. And 67 times 4 is going to give us 268. And let's just look at why that works. 4 times 7 is going to give you 28. Drop your 8. Hold that 2 in your brain, right? And then 4 times 6 is 24. Plus the 2 would give you the 26. So you get 268. Then I'm going to drop the rest of the equation, which means I simply drop this plus 5. And now all I have to do is add 5 to 268. And that, my friends, whoops, I got to get the right utensil here. The writing utensil, 273 blocks. And that is the number of blocks needed to build the 67th section, or the 67th section here of this Great Wall that will protect your school. Hey, if you did this correct, fantastic. If you made a mistake anywhere along the way, no worries at all, my friend. Simply pause that video, fix that mistake. That is your fastest way to learn. Until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you soon.